Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to go over our Forex trades today, Tuesday, February 19th. Hope you had a nice President's Day holiday. We were off yesterday doing trading. Today we had 4 trades prior to the President speaking. We haven't taken anything since he stopped speaking. He started to talk about quarter to 11, maybe 10 to 11 this morning, East Coast time. I talked for about 8-10 minutes. We actually we were in one position while he started to talk. Well, we got out like right before he started, I guess it was. We didn't want to be involved in him opening his mouth, and we're on the wrong side of the trade. Anyway, so we'll go over our trades. We had 4 trades today, pulled out 5.7 pips. I guess it was, no, excuse me, pulled out 9.7 pips. It was okay. It was, it was a pretty easy day to trade, put it that way. You'll see the first trade here that we're going to go over is the euro. We were long 1.33482. It was doing nothing. It was just consolidating. Really was, if it was going to break this consolidation range to the downside, then we would get out. So we weren't risking all that much. And if it broke it to the upside, we'd be looking to get out. I believe if you go back a little bit further, there's a little bit of a resistance up in this area. It ran up pretty fast, so we were able to pick 9.6 pips off of it. As you can see there, we left some on the table, obviously. It ran higher, consolidated, and it was running higher currently. So, but you can't, I don't complain when I grab 9.6 pips there. U.S. dollar, Swiss franc. This was, is this a trade for the president? No, this trade we were short 0.92342. This trade, unfortunately, it just felt like it wasn't doing anything. Obviously, covered it prematurely. Just needed 1.1 pips. As you see, a matter of a few minutes after we covered, it started to pull in. So this is a 1-minute chart here. It just felt like it. I don't know. For some reason, to us, it just felt like it wasn't going to break down anymore. We were totally wrong on that. Moving to the pound to dollar, we were long here. 1.54747. Again, consolidated. We're going to break it to the downside. We're going to get out. If it breaks to the upside, we're looking to get out. And again, there was a little bit of resistance to take these lows over here. You could say that's going to be a resistance area, and that pretty much was a resistance area. So we made 5.2 pips. It was a really easy trade. It was clean. It was evident to get out there, or at least, I mean, it could have broke higher. And then you'd be, oh boy, we left it on the table. But again, I don't complain when it's bumping up against resistance and it's doing what I think it might do. Even if it was to go higher, it's a good spot to get out. Can't complain with 5.2 pips. And ultimately, it was the right move because it bumped up against it, came down, bumped up against it again, and then totally broke down. Started to break down as the president started to speak. And U.S. dollar to Canadian, we were in this as the president was speaking, and it was starting to pop against us. So we probably should have we got out of this just about. Actually, we got out of this. If I remember correctly, it was just as he started speaking, or just before. Again, it wasn't. We only took a 6.2 pip loss, so it wasn't that bad. And he started to open his mouth, so. I didn't know if he was going to say something to make this thing continue running higher, or to reverse and pull in and make us money. So, why chance it? At that point, it's like, at that point, you're putting money on red or black because you're relying on whatever the president's going to say, and none of us know what he's going to say. So, at that point, technicals go out the window, and it's all about his comments. So we took the loss and moved on. Unfortunately, we had a chance to get out of this thing relatively flat a couple times. Probably should have taken it. We would have had a little bit better day. We would have been up, even if we lost 2 pips there, we would have been up about 13 pips on the day. So, as it is, 9.7. That's it. Shutting it down for the day. And we'll be back tomorrow. If you're interested in trading, www.uniqueforex.com. If you're watching the algo, that's still on the link. Knock on wood, that's been solid all week. And that's it. So if you're still trading, good luck, and we'll be back tomorrow. Have a great evening.